Even if it's small, at least you can build on top of that. You can make at least, doing bare minimum, you can make at least $500 within 7 days on DoorDash. That's just bare minimum effort. You can at least make $500. If you grind, if you hump, you can make 1,000 in a week. Now, if you got a full-time job, that'll probably end up being like more like $600. But that should be your main focus if you are at rock bottom. This is strictly for rock bottom people that you've spent every dime you got nothing. First thing you do, sign up for a payday loan. That's only if you have a job. If you don't have a job, you need to, I don't know if you're homeless or whatever, you need to get a job. And like I said, if somebody's gambling without a job, I don't know how that's even happening. So yeah. Uh-oh, did I just, one second. Did I turn my camera off? Okay, I'm sorry. I thought I turned my camera off. So, get a payday loan. That payday loan is going to hold you over. You can pay your bills, whatever. In the meantime, you need to be signed up for DoorDash. Instant cash every day. It's going to take 1 week. You're going to have to wait 1 week in order to get that instant cash. But once that 1 week ends, you're going to get the deposit into your bank account. And after that, you can, start cashing out every day. And then that way, you can have money every single day. When I do DoorDash, I cash out every single day. Sorry about that. I cash out every single day, all day if I want to, all day long if I want to. Every time I make money, every single order. If I make $200 on DoorDash, guess what? I could cash out that $200. You can't do that on a regular job. That's why I said you need to have a gig. You need a side hustle because, that can be a double-edged sword. If you're just taking the money and gambling it, that's not going to help you. That's why you have to change your mindset about how you look at gambling, and you need to decide and commit that you are going to make the change. If you go ahead and get a side hustle and continue to gamble, all you're going to do is just dig yourself into a deeper hole, and you're never going to stop gambling. The whole purpose of creating an extra source of income is to help you catch back up. It's to help you catch up on your bills. It's to help you build up your money, build up your bank account, because you decided you don't want to gamble anymore. But if you're going to keep gambling, don't even do these gigs. Don't get a side hustle. Just keep doing what you're doing. But I'm here for people that truly want to help themselves. I did it. Like, I can't believe I did it. I'm doing it. 6 years. I'm doing it. I have been gambling free for 6 years. And a lot of people ask me, how were you able to do it? I wanted to. I got tired of my life. I got tired of everybody around me being successful, and I felt like crap. I got tired of feeling like a loser. When you get tired of feeling like a loser and realize it's time to make a change, that's when you start making changes. You start taking, it's baby steps. It's one step at a time. It's one foot in front of the other. You have to do one day at a time. Don't think about the big picture. Don't think about the what ifs. One day at a time. Each day you're making an effort, even if it's getting on your knees and praying for peace, praying for prosperity, praying for opportunity to come through, so that you can get some money to pay your bills and get out of debt. But everybody is at different stages. I realize everybody is at a different stage and a different level in their gambling recovery. And so, it really, every stage is different. And maybe I should do videos about the different stages of gambling addiction. I think I am. Because I know me saying this is meaningless if you're in a situation where you're out on the streets because of the gambling. That's a different